and happy almost Halloween. Today I'm showing you how to recreate this dark fairy look. Spirit Halloween just came out with this new costume and it is super cute. I'm kind of obsessed with it, not gonna lie. Might be this for Halloween this year. Spirit Halloween has everything you could possibly need for Halloween time. They've got costumes for little itty babies to full adults. They've got decorations, accessories, makeup, you name it, they've got it. If you guys want to see how to recreate this look for yourself, just keep watching. To save a little time, I went ahead and did my skin products and my eyebrows off camera, and we're just going to start off with some eyeshadow. I'm going to take this magenta color and start in my crease and pretty much just blow this all out all over my lid. I'm also going to wing it out just a little bit to give more of a evil, dark kind of look. And I'm going to bring this in closer to my nose, farther than I normally would. I'm taking the same shade under my eye, and again, I'm going to smoke that out real heavily. I'm just packing this on a little bit heavier since we blended it out so much. Now I'm taking an even deeper shade. It's basically the same color, but a lot darker. And I'm going to focus this more on the outer part of my under eye. And then I'm also going to pack it right here in the outer corner. I'm only taking that about halfway in though. Be sure to go back in with that first brush and blend out the edges. Next I'm taking this really dark plum shade and focusing this basically the same area but not quite as far, just to like really deepen it up. And I'm going to keep this in the very outer corner, kind of making a V shape. Again, going in and blending out all those edges. Next I'm taking this shimmery deep teal color and placing this on the inner part of my lid. Not quite going to the inner corner, and just trying to blend this out a little bit. Now I'm going to take a lighter teal shade and put that in the inner corner to brighten it up just a little bit. Now for the fun part, we're going to add some glitter. This is a glitter palette from Spirit Halloween, and I'm going to use this shade right here. These glitters are nice because you don't have to use any glue. It's kind of like the glue is built in and it just naturally sticks onto your skin. Now I'm going to add a really big wing because no Halloween look would be complete without that. And some liner in my waterline. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I'll be back and we'll put on some lashes. So I'm back. I look a little bit different. I decided to go ahead and put on a dark vampy lip, and I also, I don't know if you can tell, I added just a little bit of eyeliner to my inner corner to kind of give it that like cat eye look. So next we're putting on lashes. We're using these ones from Spirit Halloween. They're the Luxe eyelashes. And if you didn't already know, Spirit Halloween has their own eyelash glue, so we'll be using this as well. So the trick with lashes is to always bend them a little bit. It'll help them to fit on your eye a little bit better. Another trick is to put it on your eye before adding glue, obviously. And you can see how much you need to trim off from the edge so that it fits your eye shape. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off the outer corner of this one. Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to add these jewel face decals. These are also from Spirit Halloween. I don't know if I'm going to do the bottom ones, but I'm definitely going to do the top ones. So basically, you just peel these off like a sticker, and it's all in one piece, which is really convenient. Then you just stick them on where you want. I've never used something like this before, but this is pretty cool. To like do this individually would take forever. I think they look pretty even, and I think I want to do the under eye ones. These are really fun. Ooh, yes, good decision. I like this a lot. These might be my favorite part of this look so far, and they're sticking really nicely. Next, as if this wasn't enough already, we're going to apply some more glitter. This is also from Spirit Halloween, and it comes with this handy dandy little spatula to scoop it out of there. So I'm just going to put this on my hand and try to spread it out because I don't want to get like a whole glob of this on my skin. I just want a little bit on my cheek. It's like a fairy highlighter. Just like that. And this completes my dark fairy look. I hope you guys liked this video and that it was helpful for you. Don't forget to shop at your local Spirit Halloween store to find all the products to recreate this look. If you want to save 20% off one single item, check out the description below. There's a discount code. And that is all I have for you. Happy Halloween!